I'm JD Schmidt with Big Tex Trailers.
And I'm Brant Combs with Ram Trucks. Today, we're going to show you how to hitch up a fifth wheel trailer. Before doing anything, make sure your truck is rated to handle a fifth wheel. In general, that means trucks in the 2500 class and up.
After you've installed the fifth wheel hitch you'll be using, secure the trailer with wheel chocks and grease the hitch locking plate.
Then, you'll want to use the trailer jack to raise the trailer so the kingpin is slightly below the top of the hitch locking plate. Using the cargo view camera located in your center high-mounted stop lamp to guide you, back the truck up to the trailer until the kingpin engages with the hitch locking plate, starting slightly lower and sliding up into place. Starting a little low helps to prevent high hitching. You'll need to move the truck forward to make sure it's properly locked in place.
Then, insert the hitch locking pin. Attach the breakaway cable. Connect the trailer wiring, and you're almost done.
Then you can press your hazard lights, hop out, make sure that all your clearance lights and brake lights and blinkers are working.
Check all the lighting. Pull the wheel chocks. Make sure you crank the jack all the way up so it's clear. And you're good to go.
You're going to want to drive a short way and set the trailer brake gain. That properly proportions the truck's brakes and the trailer braking system so you're towing even the largest trailers with confidence.